Welcome back to Unit 6, Percent Applications. This is skill number 3, which talks about tips, and this is your medium video. Now, in this video, we're going to be looking at how to find the new value after you apply the tip. If you don't already have it out, go ahead and grab your note sheet. We're going to be working on this bottom left corner where it says tips, and we'll be doing some medium examples. I've got about 2 of them for you. This is example number 1 of how to apply a tip. Starts off with Malin was at a restaurant for dinner when the bill came. Her dinner came to $13. She wanted to leave a 30% tip. How much was her meal plus the tip before tax in dollars and cents? So just like we've been doing, we're going to start with the tip, which is 30%. I'm going to change that into a decimal, so 30%. Change that to a decimal, 0.30. Remember, we can just divide the percent by 100 if you're not sure what the decimal will be. I'm going to add it because this will be added to the bill. So I'm going to go back to what I did in the percent increase video, which is 1 plus 0.30, which is 1.30. And I'm going to multiply that by the original amount of $13. So 1.30 times $13, which would give me a total of 16.9 if I use my calculator. But since we're talking about dollars and cents, we need 2 numbers after the decimal. So I'm going to add a 0. So my total bill with the tip and her meal will be $16.90. Moving on to example 2, LaTanya was out at a restaurant for dinner when the bill came. Her dinner cost $16. She wanted to leave a 24% tip. How much was her meal plus a tip before tax in dollars and cents? So just like we did on the previous example, we're going to start with that percent, change it into a decimal, so 24%. Divide it by 100 would give me a decimal of 0.24. Just like before, it says plus the tip, so I'm going to go 1 plus 0.24, which gives me 1.24. That's the amount I'm going to multiply the original total of our bill, which was $16. So 1.24 times 16, which my calculator tells me is 19.84. Now, since I have 2 numbers after the decimal, I'm all good with my dollars and cents. So our total bill with the meal and the tip is $19.84. You are now all good to do the medium level questions over on Delta Math, so head on over there.